Welcome to the Learn to Speak Chinese channel. In today's lesson, we'll be looking at two important words in Chinese, 尤其 and 特别. These two words are often used to highlight something special or noteworthy, but they have some differences in how they are used. This lesson comes from HSK Standard Course 4, Lesson 5, page 60, so if you're following along with the book, you can refer to this page as we go through the lesson. First, let's talk about what's similar between 尤其 and 特别. Both words can be used as adverbs, and they both emphasize something that stands out in a special way. They're typically found in the latter part of a sentence. For example, 我对音乐很感兴趣，尤其特别是贝多芬的音乐，我喜欢极了。I am very interested in music, especially Beethoven's music. I like it a lot. Now, let's take a look at the differences between these two words. When using 尤其, it can sometimes be followed by the word 是, but it's not always necessary. On the other hand, 特别 usually needs to be followed by 是 when used as an adverb. For example, 这次活动办得不错，尤其王老师讲的那个故事，给我留下很深的印象。This event was well organized, especially the story that Teacher Wang told. It left a deep impression on me. Notice here that 尤其 is used without the word 是, but with 特别, we usually add 是。这次活动办得不错，尤其特别是王老师讲的那个故事，给我留下很深的印象。This event was well organized, especially Teacher Wang's story. It left a deep impression on me. When used as an adverb, 特别 can mean very or especially, showing something more than usual. However, 尤其 cannot be used in this way. For example, 那本小说讲了一个爱情故事，很浪漫，让人特别感动。The novel told a love story, very romantic, and it was especially moving. Here, 特别 emphasizes how very or especially moving the story is. 尤其 can't be used like this. Another difference is that 特别 can be used as an adjective, meaning special or different from usual. 尤其 does not have this meaning. For example, 如果您有什么特别要求或任何不清楚的地方，请和我们联系。If you have any special requests or anything unclear, please contact us. In this case, 特别 describes a special request or something different, but 尤其 would not fit here. Quick recap. 尤其 is used to emphasize something special or noteworthy. It can be used with or without 是 but cannot mean very or different. 特别 is often used with 是, can mean very or especially, and can also be used as an adjective to describe something unique or out of the ordinary. Now that you know the differences, try practicing these words in your own sentences. Thanks for watching, and happy learning with Learn to Speak Chinese.